Sony announced that it will run a beta test for cloud streaming on its PlayStation Portal gaming handheld. The feature will begin rolling out in an update today, with Europe due to get it starting on Wednesday. Only PlayStation Plus Premium members will be able to access cloud streaming during the beta test, but it's a promising sign that Sony is finally working on this function, even though it took a year to get here. Adding cloud gaming to the Portal addresses one of the big critiques in our review of this handheld, which didn't seem to have an obvious target audience. More than 120 titles from the PS5 Plus game catalog will be available in the beta test. That covers a range of games including Dave the Diver, Ghost of Tsushima, Marvel's Spider-Man, Miles Morales, Monster Hunter Rise, and Ratchet & Clank Rift Apart. No games from the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 3 will be supported during the beta, but maybe those will join the roster whenever the feature is more broadly available. Portal owners might also want to know that this update adds a couple tweaks to audio and volume controls. But let's be honest, cloud gaming is really the point.